Next time a package arrives, don't just tear open the box and punt the pieces into your recycling bin. No. Instead, take that cardboard and create a paper masterpiece. Today we'll show you some awesome ways to reuse cardboard and make your life easier. If you've got some light moving boxes without handles, this little trick will make carrying them a lot easier. Use a box cutter to carve out rectangular handles on both sides, leaving the top side of each handle uncut so you can fold them up. This will provide softer handles for your hands and prevent paper cuts from the cardboard. Another method is to grab a blade and put a triangle into both sides of the box. Cut a long slit a few inches from the top, then cut a perpendicular slit down the center to create a T. Now you have easy to grab handles and you didn't even have to pay extra for them. If your drawer's an absolute mess and could use some organization, use cardboard to create square dividers and tidy things up. We're using socks here, but it works for anything. Start by getting the dimensions of the drawer, then mark the divider pieces based on your measurements. You're going to need one set for width and one for length. Be sure to leave about 1.5 inches at the bottom of the divider pieces. Next, measure down 4 inches, or whatever size you want the boxes to be, from the slot that you just drew and repeat this step until you get to the end. Now grab a box cutter and carefully cut the slot parts first. Form the partitions by putting the pieces together. Just slide the small sections into the larger ones. Finally, add the dividers to the drawer. Now you have a simple DIY drawer divider to help you organize that cluttered mess that lurks in your dresser. Birds can be seen all year round, but for some of us, spring is approaching and it's a great time to see a wide range of species. Use some cardboard to make a quick and simple bird feeder. You'll first want to cut pieces of cardboard into various shapes like circles or hearts, and then create holes for some twine or string to loop through. Next, spread out creamy peanut butter all over the cutouts and sprinkle on some bird seed. You can dip the cardboard with peanut butter directly into the bird seed if you prefer, and then hang it on a branch outside. Most likely in the early mornings and late evenings, birds will migrate to your feeder while foraging. Create a tent bed for your feline friends in a few short steps. We made good use out of an old meal kit box, but you can use any cardboard box. Start by tucking in the cardboard lids or just cut them off entirely. Now dig up an old t-shirt and pull it over the box so the neck hole lines up with the box's opening. Next, tuck the sleeves in against the box to make the sides look neater. The back end can be tied off with a rubber band as well. You can always use another shirt or towel to line the inside for extra bedding. This is what your final product should look like. Now all you have to do is entice your cat into its new cozy cat cave. Here's a super way to reuse those empty 12-packs. Start by cutting a hole in the top rear of a 12-pack box. You want to make sure it's big enough for a soup can. You can use this as is or decorate it with wrapping paper or paint. If you do decide to paint it, do so in a larger box. This way you can catch any of the overspray and not ruin any of your flooring. Now just load your cans in the back and grab them from the front when you need them. It's an easy way to organize your stock of canned goods by soups, fruits, veggies, beans, and more. Your pantry will never look cleaner. Organize your utensils with a cardboard tissue box and empty paper towel rolls. You can use any tissue box, but we used a square one and cut off the top. Next, go ahead and measure the height of your box and cut your paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls to fit evenly inside. They don't have to be perfect. If you stuff the rolls in the box tightly, you don't need tape or glue either. Now you can group together your various pens, pencils, markers, and have quick access to your organized utensil collection. Create customized coasters out of cardboard in your choice of decorative duct tape. Start by laying out a piece of cardboard and then trace out circles with either a roll of duct tape or an existing coaster that you may or may not have swiped from the local pub. Tear off a piece of tape long enough to cover the cardboard circle and wrap ends underneath will become the bottom side. After you cover the center, repeat the process for the outsides. This is what the top and bottom look like when you're done. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. While these coasters will protect your surface from hot and cold beverages, you'll have to clean the condensation off since they don't have much absorbing power. Then again, they cost next to nothing, so you could always just make more. Quick tip, you can also use this same concept to create makeshift casters for the next time you move heavy furniture. It'll help prevent scratching up your floor. Want to watch your favorite videos hands-free? Try this improvised phone stand. First, get yourself some scrap cardboard and measure out a 32cm strip in length by roughly 8 centimeters in width. It can be wider if you want. From one end, measure in 3 centimeters and mark it. Repeat 3 more times for a total of 4. Next, go ahead and measure 5 centimeters from there and mark it. Repeat that 3 times as well. Once you have all your marks, draw out your lines and yours should look something like this. Use your ruler and bend the cardboard into folds. The 2 outer pieces should tuck under the base. This is where you'll glue and fold the ends until they drop. This little makeshift stand is perfect for viewing horizontal videos on your phone. If you were to adjust the 5cm folds to about 8cm, you'd end up with this setup, which would support vertical viewing as well. Now just hit play and enjoy your improvised stand at no extra cost. There's countless ways to reuse cardboard, so we'd love to hear some ways that you use it. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting that thumbs up button, or even better, subscribe to Household Hacker for new videos every few days. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time.